What is bankability? Bankability is an important independent assessment of a manufacturer's long-term reliability, corporate strength, and production capability. What does the module Bankability Assessment cover? Manufacturing infrastructure, quality management systems, testing capabilities, traceability, technical competence. A module Bankability Assessment serves as a trusted benchmark for investors, EPC companies, and financial institutions. Why is it so important? Increases the confidence of investors and financial institutions, enhances the likelihood of being selected for large-scale international projects, provides an independent evaluation of a manufacturer's quality and reliability standards, strengthens brand reputation and customer confidence, independent validation of quality and reliability. Panels subjected to extended durability testing demonstrate up to 3 times greater resistance to temperature cycling, up to 2 times longer resistance to heat, humidity, and corrosion, up to 2 times longer resistance to high voltage stress. Comprehensive multi-scenario testing that simulates real-world operating conditions. At CW Energy, we are committed to creating lasting value for the future through our reliable manufacturing approach and dedication to sustainable energy projects.